everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all search for some mechanism where we can escape the daily routine stress, and we can just be ourselves. So I wanted to talk about reading today. Reading, it has many benefits. As we all know that mothers are biologically connected to the child, and when um, uh, we read out books to our child when he is newborn, or when he is like 1 year or 2 years, it has a very good effect on the child. And that's why they say that reading is the best therapy. So, today I wanted to discuss about some ways through which we can make our reading faster, and we can learn more and more. And it is very beneficial for our children also, because when we are well informed, then definitely our children will be well informed. Recently, I came to know about this fact that when we talk to our child, one chemical is produced in their mind, in his or her mind, that which activates their brain. So try to talk as much as possible to your children. It is very very effective, and it is very good for their mind. So a research has been done on this, that a chemical is produced. So now you can understand what is the role of a mother in a child's upbringing. So today I wanted to talk about some things which can definitely make our reading faster. First is the option of audiobooks. Definitely today, in today's times, we have audiobooks, and we have Kindle reader also, where you can download your book and you can read it on the way. And so, because so much information is there, so much information is there out there, and we get to know a lot. We can read about our health, we can read about our children's health. I'll definitely share some books with you in my future incoming videos, where I'll share with you some names of the books which are very very effective in health, and regarding information about world, what is happening, and so many things are there. So reading is a very good habit which we all should cultivate, I believe. And it and if you enjoy it, nothing like that. Second is that definitely we should schedule a time daily. And generally people, they schedule a time before they sleep. At that time they like to read the books, and they prefer that time, because they feel that okay, this is the time I want to read, and just go to sleep. So but ideally, if we want to complete a book properly, that should not be the time when we are completely alert. That should be the time when we should schedule our reading, because it helps a lot, because we are alert. So we are able to read it fast. Third thing is that you should always use a pointer. You can use a finger, and whenever you are reading, just try to use your finger, and try to read the words. So in that way, what happens when we are reading, so what happens are we get distraction sometimes. Always, actually, we always get distracted by how much I have read, and how much is left, and what I'm reading right now. So mind gets distracted very easily. So at that time, this thing helps a lot, that you always use a pointer as your finger, or you can use a pen or anything. So you should always use that, because it gives you a focus on that page, and you are able to finish it faster. Fourth one is that you should force faster reading. How do we do that? Try to read fast. Initially, it will take a little time for you to change the habit. It will take a little time, but definitely, as you focus on this thing, that I have to read a little faster, without saying aloud, or so it will change your habit. And whenever you want to finish a book, try to, and if you don't have time, so that you can't complete it, definitely we should complete it, because it's again interrelated, but still, if you don't have time, then definitely you should point out the important chapters in the book, and definitely you should read them, so that you get a summary of the whole book. So you touch upon the areas, whatever you want to read, and whatever you want to finish, or whatever you feel like that, this will be a little more beneficial to me. This section is this section has more information for me, which I am looking for. So this is one thing we can do. So in lastly, I wanted to share two facts with you. First fact is then when a woman is pregnant, and when it is we cultivate the habit of book reading at that time, if the couple reads out the book loud, and the child is obviously listening, so that this helps a lot in the brain development of the child. So this is very very good thing which we all should do. It is a very underrated thing. I also didn't know about it, but it definitely helps the child a lot, so we should definitely do that. And second is that again a woman has created a world record, and Annie Jones, she has read a book which is of 2.5 lakhs words. That is a Harry Potter series. She finished it in 47 minutes, and she has a record for that. So, which generally a person would take around 15 to 20 hours to finish that book. An average reader will take that much time, but she finished it in 47 minutes. So, we should be, these records are getting created, and it's so exciting. So, definitely we should cultivate this habit of reading. It is a very good habit, and we should definitely cultivate it, because with our children also, it's, like it's like that they don't do what we preach them, they do what we do. So definitely cultivate this habit. It will open so many gates for you, and it is a very good habit. So I'll definitely share my books with you slowly. I'll make the videos about them. And I just enjoy my reading time, and and daily I look forward to what I should read today, and it's very exciting. So definitely, if you have any suggestions, or if you want to share anything, please share in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.